Hey guys, so today I will be doing something a little different than the rest of my channel. That's right, today we're looking at top 10 skateboard tricks that you guys can do in your home. If you or a loved one are forced by your government to stay indoors for whatever reason, I'll be starting off with some easier tricks and they will get progressively more difficult. Without further ado, let's get in. Starting us off with number 1 is Ollie. Now, everyone has an Ollie in their trick toolbox. They're simple, reliable, and you can never get enough practice. Some people can Ollie really high, and that's practice for you. Kicking off with us with number 2 is the Pop Shuvit. This is another classic in our toolbox, is the Pop Shuvit. It's simple, elegant, and easy to practice in such a tight space. For number 3, we have the Fakie Ollie. Now, this is just what its name implies. For those of you who are not hip and up on the skateboard slang, fakie is just a term used when you start to do a trick and then halfway through you go, oh, I wasn't actually gonna do that trick. I was just faking. Now, this is not to be confused with a failed Ollie, because this one is always on purpose. Coming in clutch at number 4 is the backside 10. Now this one gets a bit technical. It's similar to a backside 180, but rather than turning around, you make a precise 10-degree turn that can take hours to get perfect. Just keep practicing, and hopefully one day you'll be as accurate as me. Blazing in hot at number 5 is Trig On The Cop. Now this trick was invented by an old high school friend of mine who's gone pro now. I can't perform it quite as well as he can, but I'll show you his execution next to mine to give you a good comparison.
Trick first. Yeah.
As you can see, even though our dominant feet on this trick are different, the core of the trick is the same. Coming in hot at number 6 is the 50-50 chair grind. Now this trick is just your average every other day 50-50 grind, but it's off a chair. Since I don't have any room to pick up speed, I've started already on the chair, so I can just jump right into the grind without worrying about ollieing onto the armrest. Well guys, that's all for the video today. I hope that you're doing well, and I would like it if you subscribed. You could like this video if you thought it was, if you have any feedback, if you thought this video was good, or if you thought it was not, like really not good, it would also be appreciated if you told me about that. Other than that, you can keep it to yourself. Have a good day.